Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled to get to those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth? Whether it's tight spaces, braces, or dental appliances, cleaning those areas can be a challenge. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to help with that. DenTek battery-powered Easy Brush Plaque Control Interdental Cleaners. This is the 16-count 6-pack version designed for tight interdental spaces, and it claims to make cleaning a breeze. But does it really work? Let's find out. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to Beautyistic and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest expert review like this one. Ready to get that plaque under control? Let's jump right into the details. DenTek Easy Brush Plaque Control Interdental Cleaners are designed specifically for tight spaces, whether between teeth around dental work or braces. The brush features soft bristles that are tapered to get into those tricky spots. One of the things I like about this product is the flexible wire. This is a game changer when it comes to maneuvering around dental appliances like braces. The wire allows the bristles to bend, making it easier to clean in all those nooks and crannies. And with the added fluoride coating and mouthwash blast mint flavor, you're not just cleaning, you're freshening your breath at the same time. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs. When I first tried these out, I found them super easy to use. The handle is non-slip and flexible, which provides great control, so you don't feel like the brush is slipping out of your hand. The bristles are soft enough to be gentle, but firm enough to scrub away food particles and plaque. I used it both in the morning after my coffee and in the evening before bed, and it worked like a charm each time. Plus, the mint flavor really does leave your mouth feeling fresh, which is always a plus. However, there's one thing I should mention. The bristles can be a little too soft for some people, especially if you're dealing with heavy plaque buildup. While it works fine for light cleaning and maintaining a fresh mouth, you might need something stronger if you're looking to remove a lot of buildup. So, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Flexible wire allows for better maneuverability around braces and other dental appliances. Non-slip handle makes the brush easy to control. Soft bristles are gentle yet effective for cleaning tight spaces. Fluoride coating and mint flavor keep your mouth feeling fresh. The 6-pack offers great value for long-term use. Cons: the bristles may not be strong enough for those with significant plaque buildup. It could be a little too gentle for some people who need more power for their dental cleaning. When it comes to value for money, I think this product is pretty solid. You get 6 packs of 16 brushes, which should last quite a while if you're using them regularly. The price is fair considering the quality and the fact that you're also getting the added benefit of fluoride and a minty fresh feeling. In comparison to other interdental brushes out there, DenTek's Easy Brush Plaque Control offers a nice balance between price and performance. Some alternatives may offer firmer bristles or more specialized features, but they can also be pricier. If you're just looking for a straightforward, comfortable solution to keep your teeth fresh and clean, this could be the one for you. Let's quickly talk about durability. The brushes are built to last for several uses, so while they're not disposable after one use, they're not going to last as long as a heavy-duty tool either. But for everyday maintenance, they'll hold up well. Now, if you're finding this review helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a Beautyistic review again. Your support helps us keep bringing you these honest, detailed reviews. And if you're itching to get your hands on this product, the link is in the comments below. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with DenTek's customer service. However, they do have a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries. So if you run into any issues with the product, you can likely expect helpful support. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something with firmer bristles or a different design, you could try products like the Gum Soft Picks or the Oral-B Interdental brushes. Both are great options for a little more cleaning power in tight spaces. To wrap it up, the DenTek battery-powered Easy Brush Plaque Control Interdental Cleaners are a great option for everyday use, especially if you're dealing with tight spaces or dental appliances. They won't tackle heavy plaque buildup on their own, but they're perfect for maintaining a fresh mouth throughout the day. If you have braces or just want to make sure your dental routine is thorough, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.